Assalamu alaikum. This is TaimurKhan and you're watching TaimurKhani Learning Hub. Today we are going to learn about how we can solve two-step linear equations. Like we have here the very first question, this one, 2x plus 4 equals to 10. This is a two-step linear equation. This is also two-step linear equation. This is also two-step linear equation. So how we can solve these three linear equations? Let's learn. And why I said like this is two-step linear equation. It's because like you can see here we have to solve a linear equation, you will find what you'll find the value of the unknown variable, and that's x here. So to find this x value, first you have to remove 4, and the second step you have to remove the number which is in multiplication to x, and that's 2. And similarly here you will remove this 5, and second you will remove this 5. This is the second step. First step, you will remove this 3, and the second step, you will remove this 2 over 3, which is a fraction number. So how we can? Let's start. And this is linear. Why? Because the power of x is 1, here, 1, here, 1. But we are not writing 1, okay, when you have the power 1, so we are not writing its n, but actually it is. And also, there's a restriction on the coefficient, and you know that what's the coefficient? The number which is n multiplication to the variable, and that's coefficient. Like this is 2, it's not a 0. This is 5, it's not a 0. This is 2 over 3, it's not 0. So now, that's the reason these three equations are called linear equations. So let's learn how to solve them step by step. So the very first thing, when you are solving a linear equation, like I'm solving the first one, you will write solution. And when you're writing the solution, so in the solution, you have to write the equation same as it is. And it's 2x plus 4 equals to 10. Now, to remove 4, how we can remove 4? Remember, you will remove the number which is added or subtracted first, as compared to the number which is n multiplication or division. Like here we have in multiplication. So before you remove the number which is in multiplication or division, you have to remove the number which is addition, which is in addition or subtraction. Why? Because that is easy and you can solve easily the question. Now to remove 4, you will subtract 4 from both sides. Why I'm subtracting? Why I'm not adding? Because here it's already an addition, so you will use opposite operation. So 4 cancel from the left hand side. You will get 2x equals to 10 take away 4 is 6. Next, you will divide both sides by 2. So I'm dividing. Look, 2 to cancel from the left hand side, and you will get x. And when you divide 6 by 2, you will get what? 3. And here you can see the answer is 3. Now, if you want to verify, like you get the value of x, and that's 3, this is the correct value or not, you will do what? You will put this value here in the equation. Like here, the x value you will put 3, and you will check out you can get left hand side equal to the right hand side or not. Like I'm gonna check. Look, if I put in the place of x 3 value, so 2 times 3 6, 6 plus 4 10. Look, you can get 10 from the left hand side, and it's equal to the right hand side now. So that shows the x value which we get here, it's 3. This is the true value. So like this way you can do verification, you get the true value or not. So I hope it makes sense. Now to solve the next question, so as I said, you will write first the equation same as it is. 5x minus 5 equals to 20. So here you will do what? You will add 5 to the both side. Why am I adding? Because 5 is in subtraction. You will use opposite operation, addition. So 5 cancel, you will get 5x equals to 20 take away. So 20 plus 5, not take away. 20 plus 5 is 25. Next, divide both sides by 5. 5 cancel, you will get x value equals to 25 divided by 5 is 5. And now, if you want to check the value of x, you get the correct value, you will just put the value here in the place of x, and that's 5. And now I'm checking. Look, 5 times 5, okay? 5 times 5, 25. 25 take away 5, 20. So on the left hand side, when you put x value 5, you can get 20, and it's equal to the right hand side. And that's the true value. So now x equals to 5 is the true value here, and this is the solution. Now, to do the last question, it's 2x over 3 plus 3 equals to 8. Now, to remove this 3, it's easy for us. Now, first remove this 3. It's positive 3, means the number is added here. You will subtract 3 from both sides. So I'm doing 3 cancel from left hand side. You will get 2x over 3 equals to 8. Take away 5. Take away 3 is 5. Next, you can do what you can do. You can remove this fraction number 2 over 3 like together if you wanna do, so you can. But I will suggest you like not do this like that, but you can do what? Just times 3 to the both side. Why? Because 3 is in division. 3 divides x here. So you can remove 3 by what? By multiplying 3 to the both side. Okay? So 3 cancel from the left hand side. You will get 2x equals to 5 times 3 is 50. Next, you will divide both sides by 2. So 2 to cancel, and you will get x equals to 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. And this is the x value. And you can check out. You will just put the value of x here 7.5, then times with 2, you will get 15. 15 divided by 3, and then plus 3, you will get 8. And you can verify this value like this way. So, hope it makes sense.